How to fix Google Play gift card, more info needed. Now, before we go into the certain solution and how you can fix that, I'm going to provide you information to why this is happening on your end. So this usually happens if you're currently having an intermittent connection while pulling up or while on the redemption page of the code. If that specific page is loading and then your internet service got cut off, you will usually receive that kind of error. So that's your very first main thing that you need to do. Make sure that you have a stable connection. Now, once you've fill out necessary forms right here on the correct code that you receive from a friend or from anywhere, send us more option, usually located right on the red mark. Just simply tap on that, and most of the time, if someone has given you out any specific gift directly from Google Play, there's actually an additional information to that. It's either a special code or your email address. So once you've done that and it's still not working, all you have to do is make sure that your current mobile device is updated to the latest version from the operating system. Just go into settings and then just simply do an auto update and try to redeem your code again. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to fix Google Play gift card, more info needed.